Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well wherever you are. Today we are going to do the laws of indices, and we have 8 laws that we are going to go through. And the first law that we are going to go through is a to the power of m times a to the power of n. This is a to the power of m plus n. So when you're multiplying, you add the powers. So the example 2 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of 3. So because also the base are the same, so we are going to say 2 to the power of 5 plus 3, which is equals to 2 to the power of 8. Then the second rule, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. So when you are dividing, you subtract the powers. So it will be a to the power of m minus n. And the example, we have 5 to the power of 7 divided by 5 to the power of 3. So this is 5 to the power of 7 minus 3, which is equals to 5 to the power of 4. Yeah. And the second rule, the third rule, is a to the power of m or raised to the also to the power of n. So this is a to the power of m times n. So the example, we have 10 to the power of 3 or raised to the power of 7 as well. So this is 10 to the power of 3 times 7, which is equals to 10 to the power of 21. And the fourth rule is a to the power of 1. So any number raised to the power of 1 will be itself. So we also have 17 to the power of 1, so it will just be 17. The fifth rule is a to the power of 0. Any number raised to the power of 0 will give you 1. Now 34 to the power of 0, the answer will be 1. And a to over b or raised to the power of m, this is just the same as a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Each the numerator raised to the power and the denominator raised to the same power as well. So this one will be 5 over 6 to or raised to the power of 2 will be 5 to the power of 2 divided by 6 to the power of 2, which will give us 25 over 36, and that's our answer. Then a to the power of negative m, so this one will give you 1 over a to the power of m. Because it's a negative, you change it to fraction and will be positive. So now we have 9 to the power of negative 2, that will be 1 over 9 to the power of 2, which gives you 1 over 81. That's your answer. Then if you have this a raised to the fraction x over y, this will be the square root and this will be the base, which is y, and a to the power of x. And we have the example 49 raised to the power of half. So this will be the square root of 49 to the power of 1, and the base is 2. So this will just gives you 7, or you can say plus or minus, but which is 7. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget the laws of indices, because they help you when you are doing some other problems. It will be easy to apply the rules. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with friends. Bye.